Newsflash, it is not too late to become your best self. Not at all. I want to speak directly to every man in his 40s, 50s, and 60s. And if you're older than that, I'm speaking to you too. You have not missed your chance. All right. You have not missed your chance. You have not, run out of time. Um, as long as you are breathing, you still have the opportunity to become the best person that you can be, to become your best self. All right. So, point one, stop living in regret. Whatever you didn't do in the past, you didn't do it in the past. What can you do moving forward? You can take action and do what you need to do now. We all have made mistakes, made bad decisions, missed opportunities, uh, regret a terrible place that we built in the future. So that's really what regret is. Regret is something that is a waste of your time. It's something that you carry into the future that doesn't help you in any way. All right. What it does help you do is it helps you that if you learn from it and if you take that forward. So if you learn from your yesterdays, then you don't have to live them again. All right. So don't bring yesterday into today. Take the knowledge and information to get you to where you want to get today from yesterday and use it to move yourself forward. That's the only thing that's good about yesterday. Point two, invest in yourself again. All right. When was the last time that you invested in becoming better? Good question. Taking a class, learning a skill, reading a book, hiring a coach. All right. Growth should never be something that you retire from. You should never try to retire from growth. Doesn't matter if you've got $40 billion in the bank. You should always be trying to grow and learn, not trying to take from other people or trying to hurt other people. You should be trying to enhance them because guess what? People are doing better, you're going to do better. Your grandkids are going to do better. The world is going to do better. Why? Because they're doing better. That means that they're not taking from you and they're not part of the problem. They are also part of the solution. And if you see people that are part of the problem, get the flip away from them. They're toxic. You don't need to be around them. Point three, become the example for your children, your grandchildren, your community. They're all watching. All of them are watching. They may not say anything and you may not notice it, but somebody's always seeing. Okay? Show them what resilience looks like. Show them what discipline looks like. Show them what rebuilding looks like. All right. When I first saw Granddad, he was all out of shape and all of that, but now he runs more than my dad or my mom or Uncle John or whomever. It doesn't really matter. All right. But show them what rebuilding is like. So then they have a guide somewhat on how they could become better. So with that, point four, finish strong. All right. Finish strong. The final chapter of your life can become stronger and it can also become your strongest chapter. Write a story that makes people say, he never quit. He kept growing. He finished with honor. All right. Those are the things that are going to help you. And you already know what your story is like. Don't live in some fantasy. Ladies and gentlemen, facts are facts. Reality is reality. Please don't accept the alternative fact thing. Stop blaming other people for your misfortune when you had every chance to actually move yourself forward, but you failed to take advantage of it. Stop blaming other people for your misfortune. I'm not saying that other people didn't play into your misfortune, but that's usually because they had their own issues and they didn't understand how to move forward. And those are the people that you remove from your life. So, gentlemen, life isn't asking you to be perfect. It's asking you to keep becoming, keep becoming the person that you were meant to become. And that's exactly what the rebuild process is all about. Again, this is Mr. Z, and I look forward to speaking with you guys again. And if this worked for you, if this is something that you feel is going to bring something to someone else of quality that's going to help them move forward, please share this with them. Follow us on Mr. Z Inspires on YouTube. Again, that's Mr. Z Inspires on YouTube, and check our website out at www.mrzinspires.com. Again, that's www.mrzinspires.com. www.mrzinspires.com. Thank you guys, and you guys have a great rest of your lives. Be well, take care, and peace.